Charlotte, hang tight with those knives right there. Ready, 1, 2, 3. You raise me up. Okay. Thank you so much for your help. Didn't she do a good job?
Yay!
Charlotte, just get them. Group of you back there, come on up to the people in the front so they can't leave. I'm going to hold on just for stability. As I said, Boston, we made it to the grand finale. I am now going to shift this show into 5th gear. Oh my God. That's good. Jordan, in a second, I'm going to let go of your fist. You're going to run out to the center where Charlotte was, and you're going to throw those knives to me. Because you're older than me. Austin, when I let go of his hand, I will be balanced up here unsupported. So please show me you care. Jordan, after I've let go of your hand, at any moment, I might yell out Jordan, or any other name that pops into my mind. I'm talking to you. Sound good? When I let go of him, show me you care. And you run straight out to the front. Ready? Go! Are you alrighty also, Jordan? Beautiful. Take half a step to the side, right there, because you're going to throw from your right hand to my left hand, yes? No, the first way. Tip of the blade facing up to the sky the whole time. I don't want you to impart any rotation onto the knife, yeah? I just want it to glide straight with the blade facing tip up the whole time. Show me one wind up so I know we're on the same page. Yep, that's pretty good, but keep the blade facing up even when you wind it up, yeah? And slide your hand up to the tape. That way, yeah, right in the middle. That's good. Half a step towards me, Jordan. Throw me the knife on the count of 3. And terrible listening. We're not off to a good start. Jordan, half a step more towards me. You can throw it with just a little bit more force right here into my left hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! That was nice. It only rotated a little bit. I'm fine with that. Ready? Next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good. At least the rotation is taking the blade away from my eyeballs. Jordan, this last one is the most important one. We get this right, all these people are going to go crazy for you. You get it wrong, I throw these 2 back. Yeah, and they're all laughing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Jordan, please just stand off to my left over here, because I will need your help to get down. You can step this way a little bit more. Boston, I want to take just a quick moment. Oh my gosh. To say thank you to each and every one of you for stopping to watch my show today. It is because of generous audiences like you that I've been able to travel all around the world for the last 20 years doing what I always dreamt I wanted to do when I was a kid. Doing shows just like this for audiences like you. So thanks for being a part of it today, Boston. You might be surprised to learn the city of Boston, Quincy Market, Faneuil Hall, they don't pay me anything to leave. I only make my living from your generous donations. So you might wonder what a good tip is for my show. I want $50 for me. I really do. But when you come up with $10, that tells me I've done a good job. $5 is an okay tip. But when you come up with a $20 bill, that really makes my day. And think about this. Last week, I took my family to the movies. I paid over $40 for us to get in. And I didn't like the movie. You've already seen my show. Did you have a good time? Yeah. Woo! If you had a good time watching live street theater, it is up to you to decide what that is worth. And Charlotte, I don't want your $10. You earned those. I want your mom's 20. Boston, for those of you who don't carry cash on you anymore, totally get it. There's an ATM right inside. I also accept Venmo. My Venmo handle is Trash Can Circus. What's my Venmo?
Trash Can Circus.
And my name is Tobin. If you all are ready for the grand finale, say yeah! Yeah! And everybody, let's finish this show out in style. Everybody, hands up. Everybody. Yeah, I can see you, do it. Follow my rhythm. Oh yeah, Boston. Everybody clap. Jordan, quick. Jordan, oh my gosh, catch me. Can give Jordan a round of applause he deserves. Boston, wait, please. Could I just have a moment of silence as I watch the people who aren't going to pay sneak away? Boston, I will be standing right out here accepting your generous donations. Jordan, you're a legend.
We're in front of Quincy Market.
Boston, I've got this little bag. The exit is right here. Come on up. Keep the clear alive. Keep me doing what I love to do.